empowering your financial journey. Hey there, welcome back to Money Matters. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. If you're eager to explore investment strategies that can pave the way for lasting wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 7 compounding assets that could be the game changers you've been searching for. So, whether you're new to investing or looking to level up your financial game, stick around because we're about to uncover some seriously valuable insights. Let's get started. Alright, let's lay the groundwork for our wealth-building journey by understanding the magic of compounding. You see, compounding is like the turbo boost for your investments. It's the art of making your money work for you over time, and it's a game changer in the world of wealth building. The beauty of it lies in the snowball effect. As your initial investment grows, it generates returns, and those returns, in turn, generate even more returns. It's like a financial snowball rolling downhill, gaining momentum and size, year after year. Now, let's paint a vivid picture of this concept. Think of your initial investment as a tiny seed. You plant it, give it some time, and what happens? It sprouts, right? But here's the real magic: as days pass, that sprout grows into a sturdy tree. And guess what? This tree starts bearing fruit. Now, imagine this tree is your investment, and those fruits are your returns. The incredible part is, it doesn't stop there. The next year, this tree gives you even more fruit because it's bigger and stronger. That's the compounding effect in action. It's not just growing money. It's growing your dreams, $1 at a time. Let's switch gears for a moment and imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. Initially, it's small, but as it moves, it picks up speed and size. Compounding works much the same way. Your initial money grows, and the next time it earns even more. It's like a never-ending cycle of financial growth, and guess what? You don't need to be a financial wizard to make it work. It's about being patient and letting your money do the heavy lifting. So, get ready to embark on this exciting journey of wealth building through compounding assets. It's not just about growing your money, it's about securing a future filled with financial freedom and endless possibilities. Now, let's kick things off with our first compounding asset, the stock market. It's like stepping into a colossal marketplace where you can own a piece of companies you believe in. When you buy a stock, you're essentially becoming a part owner of that company. Picture it like having a tiny slice of a big, delicious pie. As the company grows and makes profits, the value of your share can go up. It's like having a front row seat to the success of businesses you admire. But here's the golden rule in the stock market: diversification. It's like having a variety of ingredients in your recipe for success. By spreading your investments across different companies and industries, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. This helps reduce risk. Even if one sector faces challenges, others might be thriving. Now, I know, the stock market can be a bit like a roller coaster ride. Prices can go up and down, and that can make anyone jittery. But here's the secret sauce: think long term. Imagine planting a tree. At first, it seems like nothing much is happening, but as time goes by, it grows stronger and taller. Stocks work in a similar way. Over the years, they tend to grow, especially if you choose solid companies with strong foundations. And guess what? Throughout history, the stock market has shown a steady upward trend. It's like a wave. It might have ups and downs, but the overall direction is forward. So, my fellow wealth builders, don't let the short-term bumps steer you away. With a diversified approach, a sprinkle of patience, and a pinch of historical wisdom, you're well on your way to harnessing the power of compounding through the stock market. Now, let's venture into another exciting compounding asset: mutual funds and ETFs. These are like the wizards of the financial world, making compounding look like a breeze. Think of them as a way to team up with other investors, pooling your money into a collective fund. This fund is managed by financial pros, and it invests in a wide range of assets, from stocks to bonds, and sometimes a bit of both. The magic lies in diversification. It's like having a buffet of investments instead of putting all your chips on a single bet. With mutual funds and ETFs, your money is spread across various assets, reducing the risk of relying too heavily on one. And here's the icing on the cake: the returns earned by these funds aren't just handed out as cash, they're reinvested. Picture it like planting seeds in your financial garden. As time goes by, your initial investment grows, and the returns on that investment also start generating their own returns. It's like a snowball effect that keeps getting bigger as it rolls downhill. And the best part? They're accessible to everyday investors. You can buy or sell them on the stock exchange during trading hours, making it incredibly convenient. So, whether you're aiming for long-term growth, regular income, or a bit of both, mutual funds and ETFs have got you covered. They're like your trustworthy financial partners, working tirelessly behind the scenes to help you build wealth through the power of compounding. Now, let's talk about an absolute gem in the investment world: dividend-paying stocks. These are like your reliable income buddies on your wealth-building journey. When you own shares in these companies, they don't just focus on growth, they also believe in giving back to their shareholders. Here's where the magic of compounding comes into play. Instead of pocketing the dividend cash, consider reinvesting it. It's like planting more money trees in your financial garden. By reinvesting those dividends, you're not only earning returns on your initial investment but also on the new shares you acquire. Picture it like this: you've got your regular income stream from those dividends, and at the same time, the value of your stock might appreciate over time. So, it's like having a dual benefit: reliable income and the potential for stock price appreciation. These dividend-paying stocks can be your financial allies, providing you with both income and potential growth. Remember, it's crucial to research companies carefully and look for those with a history of consistent payouts and financial stability. Alright, let's talk about another valuable addition to your investment toolkit: bonds and fixed income investments. Think of bonds as a sort of financial agreement where you play the role of the lender. When you purchase a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or a corporation. Now, what makes bonds stand out is the steady stream of income they provide. It's like having a reliable friend who never forgets to repay a debt. They tend to be more stable compared to stocks, making them an excellent addition for those seeking a balanced and stable investment portfolio. Bonds act like the dependable backbone, providing stability, a reliable income stream, and a secure path toward wealth accumulation. So, just like a well-balanced meal, a diversified portfolio needs its fair share of bonds to complement the more dynamic elements. They play a crucial role in ensuring your investment strategy has the right mix of risk and stability. Remember, it's not about choosing between stocks or bonds, but finding the perfect harmony between the two. Now, let's venture into the world of cutting-edge opportunities: cryptocurrencies and digital assets. This is where things get really exciting. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, represent a new frontier in investing. They're like the Wild West of finance, offering potentially high returns, but also coming with their fair share of risks. And speaking of the digital realm, don't forget about NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These are unique digital assets that can range from collectible art to virtual real estate. While they're a bit more on the adventurous side of investing, they can add an extra layer of diversification to your portfolio, like a splash of color on a canvas. Now, it's important to remember, just like any adventure, it's wise to proceed with caution. Cryptocurrencies and digital assets can be quite volatile. So always do your homework and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you're new to this space. The potential rewards can be great, but it's essential to navigate with a steady hand. Now, let's talk about a classic wealth-building avenue: real estate. It's like the cornerstone of many successful portfolios. Real estate offers a two-pronged approach to compounding, through property appreciation and rental income. One of the fantastic things about real estate is its stability. While markets may ebb and flow, properties generally appreciate over the long run. Plus, let's not forget the tax advantages that come with real estate investments. They can be a game changer in building wealth while also minimizing your tax liabilities. Whether you're into residential properties, commercial spaces, or even exploring the world of real estate investment trusts, REITs, there are a multitude of ways to get involved. It's like having a palette of options to paint your financial future. Now, here's an asset that often goes overlooked in discussions about wealth-building educational investments. While it might not be as tangible as stocks or real estate, it's an investment in yourself, and that can pay the most substantial dividends. Think about it this way: every skill you acquire is like a tool in your financial toolkit. It not only makes you more valuable in the job market but also opens up doors to new opportunities and career advancements. Remember, in today's rapidly evolving world, continuous learning isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. It keeps you relevant, adaptable, and primed for success. So, whether it's through formal education, online courses, or workshops, investing in yourself is a choice that can truly compound your future. And there you have it, the top 7 compounding assets that can pave the way to lasting wealth. From the dynamic stock market to the stability of real estate, each of these avenues offers unique opportunities for your financial journey. Remember, before diving in, it's crucial to do your homework and, if needed, seek advice from a financial advisor. Your path to wealth should be as individual as you are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and share your thoughts. Together, we can build a community of savvy investors, all on the road to financial success.